This is Shaved Ice Connoisseur Polar Bear, and this is his ranking from worst to best. So worst, American snow cones, every dentist's nightmare, sugary syrup, and then chewing on ice. Polar Bear literally thinks this is worse than global warming. Next, Mexican Raspado. You're still in the chunky ice pour on syrup territory, so it's still not great, but you do get better flavors, and a lot of times they'll sprinkle on tahini, so it makes it marginally better than a snow cone. Next, BGBG. This could have been higher because it's a funky flavor combination that still works, and the starchy cubes are very similar to tapioca, but Polar Bear isn't a personal fan of rose flavored anything, which is what's typical for this Turkish treat. Italian water ice. You're not drizzling the syrup over the ice, but actually freezing the juice flavor combo, meaning the flavors evenly distributed throughout each bite. However, you still are in the crunchy territory. Next, Baobing and Kakagori. Yes, I know that they're slightly different, but we're grouping them together, okay? We finally hit the place in this list where they're getting the texture right. It's more flakes than granules, so it's light, airy, fluffy, immediately melts in your mouth, but they are still water-based and rely on yummy syrups and toppings. We are now in our podium places, so third, Halo or Mix Miss. This insane over-the-top version of Baobing and Kakagori was actually inspired by the latter. Same snow texture as the former contenders, but then they also know they have to pull out all the stops in terms of toppings. Second place, Bingsu. We are finally out of the water-based territory using a milk concentrate, so you're getting some flavor from the ice itself, so they don't need to absolutely douse it in syrup. And then number one, ultimate best-in-class favorite, Shuahuabing, or Taiwanese snow ice. See how the ice is almost in folds? It's feather-like. When you place the order, they'll mix the flavored milk mixture almost like a cocktail and then pour it into the machine that shaves off these amazingly delicious folds. 20 out of 10, Polar Bear would recommend. Let us know in the comments if you got shaved ices you'd add to the list and if you agree with this ranking.